Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to extract models. Well, yeah, models from Nascar E5. So you're going to go to where your Nascar E5 is, and what I would do here personally is make a folder called Meshes, because in Nascar E5 all the things are, I think, in meshes. Now, the things you're going to need for this challenge are the Unity Asset Bundle Extractor and Blender or some other 3D software that can load meshes. Unfortunately, I right now don't know a way to replace the models, so this is how to extract them. So you're going to want to open the Asset Bundle Extractor, open, and go to, this is the wrong thing, and then go to Heap 5, Data, and then not streaming, yes, Streaming Assets, PC, Asset Bundles, and open one of these, and these will, well, some of these will have models in them, so you're going to open the Cars Cup, and you're going to want to, and then I would do this. This is also a smart thing, is you go here, make a new text file, or you can do this before, it doesn't really matter, and then you want to call it anything, so let's just call mine, and you want to open it, and now you're going to want to look for a file. I'm going to look for it, I'm just going to find it. Now you're going to want to actually, I think it would be better to sort by meshes, so if you want to extract, I'm pretty sure, I think it's this one that's the full one. I'm not sure, so we're gonna figure that out. You want to plugins, and it doesn't matter. I mean, I don't really care. And you want to go, yeah, it just saves here and save it there. Go back to meshes. I cannot speak, and then open it, and it will have a mesh. Now it won't have a texture, but as you can see, it's the full mesh. And you can also use in Blender, but I don't know how to put a texture on it. Let's see if I can put a texture on it, but you can do all sorts of things with it. So yeah, this is how to extract the models. If you want to do the other models, now these are, I don't know what these do, so I'm just gonna extract them anyway and see what they do. So this is just the Chevy example, but this is one without the tires. I don't know, and then I think this one's a full one if I'm correct. If I'm really correct, this one might be a full one. I think I just exported load one. No, this one also doesn't have a tire, so I don't know what the difference is. But you can do it for all the models that are meshes. It's not just here, so you can also, like, this one doesn't work because that's a material, but, like, you can, like, say, like, I don't know, this one, you can go OBJ. It doesn't really matter. As long as it's a mesh, it doesn't have to be the car bodies. It can be literally anything. As you can see, that's the Ford model, and I'm on the base Heat 5, so if you want to, the models will look different on the next gen mod, but this is the Gen 6 car, for example, and let's just do another example. So I'm going to close that, and if you want it, well, I don't know, and we're going to open. Let's go back to streaming assets. This can work for any game. It doesn't have to work for Heat 5, as long as it has meshes. We're going to open the dash.rab. We're going to do the exact same thing. And in this folder, I would make another folder, just so you don't get confused. Okay, so I'm going to make another folder. I'm going to name it, you don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it for sakes. We're going to name it dash, and we're going to open it. We're going to add a new text file after we save, oh wait, I don't want to save this. Hold on, I did that wrong. Hold the flippity mobile phone. No, I don't want the character creator, I want the dash. So we want to unpack it. I did that completely wrong. That was my mistake. And you're going to go back to meshes, and then if you created the folder, go in the folder. And the same thing. This is how you, yeah, so this doesn't happen. You don't have to do this with the main resource.assets file. I'm going to name this balls2. You don't have to do that. You don't have to create text files with this file when you extract this file. I just got to find it. When you extract, I'm pretty sure all these files in the Heat 5 directory, the data directory, you don't have to necessarily, I don't think you have to use text files. So we're going to go back to meshes, and we're going to extract it on the balls2, and then info, and then find the meshes like the last time. So we're going to sort by type, and then we're going to find if there's even any meshes in here. I don't think there's meshes in here. Oh, here we go. So meshes like truck dash, export to OBJ, save it, and then go into dash, open it, and see what it looks like. See, that's like the truck dash, and then let's just extract this one, for example. Now, I don't know how to replace them, which is kind of disappointing, but what I would do is for every single mesh you want to extract, make a folder. So say you want to do, like, the trophies. You would make a folder called trophies. It's not the most confusing thing in the world, but like, let's just export this for example, Cup Dash. I just want to see what the Cup Dash looks like. So like, this is the Cup Dash board. If you can figure out a way to replace models, yeah, that would be amazing. But unfortunately, I don't think there is. So that's unfortunate. But hey, do the best you can. And yeah, that's it. That's basically how you extract the models. Also, you can change the sign. I just realized that. That's how you extract models from NASCAR Heat 5 and basically any other Unity game in existence. So I think that's it for this tutorial. So yeah, we went over how to extract meshes. Now I have done this for other games, so I think I have better examples. So we're gonna go Heat 5. I think I did it. What game did I do it for? Heat 2 or 4? So meshes. This is a mess. But this is the Heat. These are the Heat 2 cars. I believe that that's a Chevy. I better be recording. You still, yeah, see the full model. That's a different type of Chevy model. And I don't know what this does. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. That was only 5 minutes.